Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then it's on you. Or you can put it off your shoulder. Yeah, like across the way.
Put this over my shoulder.
We're back. We've come to Peterborough. Got a newbie with us today. He's never done this before, so we'll give that a go. See if we can scare him out of it. Jason, keen as ever. He's got his magnet in already. Going to get ready for Wesley's first chuck. Go on, boy, give it a chuck. Look at how cautious he is, pretty boy. I mean, you definitely don't have to throw it like that. Wesley's first throw goes. There we go. So, before I crack on, it might get a bit dark again tonight because this is the first time I've had a chance to come out fishing since the last video, actually. So I'll get a couple of these out of the way first. Shout out to DS Magnet Fishing, Dan Slack. You've followed us from day one. Thank you. Amazing. Dan Slack's girls, Willow and Faith. What's that? Slack Clan. Autism awareness through and through. Perfect. Absolute. All the love. Dave Jordan, chin up. See you on the 25th. Can't wait. Going to be an absolutely banging day. And then finally to the Squatch, Jason Ziccarelli, for inviting us onto his channel, for giving us the opportunity to go live to a whole new audience out in America. I think it'd be absolutely fantastic. Definitely going to have a go at chucking my magnet this afternoon, see if we can find some cool stuff. Wish us luck, and I'll see you if we find out. Wesley's got his first find! Tatty old fishing chair, there we go. You've not wasted your time. You've not wasted your time, you've come and got a tatty old fishing chair out. Brilliant, there we go. So, been here 20 minutes, found a bottle cap. And a bottle cap. And a bottle cap. Bottle cap. Bottle cap. Bottle cap. I think I found a bullet casing. Definitely looks like one. Some kind of pulley wheel. And a police car. Jason the jammy sod. Pulled out a lock key. It's on my bucket list. Jammy sod. He's over there fishing again. Hammer. Don't think it's really going to be that restorable. But take it home and have a look. Cheeky little fishing reel. A big solid steel pin. Bendy piece of metal. And another rusty pipe. So there's something down there, we don't know what it is. I've pulled that up, looks like it's off the back of a motorbike or a push bike. So now what we'll do is, we'll see, we'll play a game, shall we? Let's play a game. How many clowns does it take to fish something out of the water without getting all the magnets stuck together? 2 magnets and a grapple, let's see what happens. Probably need some more of them then, do I? That's exactly what it is. It's a push bike. I had a brake out, you had a pedal. What have you got of yours? Nothing. Right, that was something moving. Here we go. Ah, it's out. Here we go. Look how silty that was.
There's the granny shopper.
That's what that bracket off the back was then.
Yeah.
And look, it's missing a brake and it's missing a pedal. I think we're pulling it up bit by bit. I want to know where the seat is. I want to know where the wheels are. There we go. If they all disappear, we might be able to do some fishing. Fancied a little trek down round in Peterborough and this guy crops up. Reckons he's pulled that whole load of stuff. Vinny, Drag the Mag. Facebook, Drag the Mag. YouTube,
yeah,
Drag the Mag. Give him a like, give him a follow. Let's all help each other out on this one, eh? So on one pull, I've just pulled up 3 lures. One, God knows what that is, some kind of spinner. A wiggly fish. A wiggly worm. I can't grab it. Wiggly worm. And a crack spoon. Bit of weird. Guess what? More bottle caps. So, still in Peterborough, still fishing with Vinny, Drag the Mag. Met this guy Kieran, what he calls Iron Inspector, on Facebook, so give this guy a follow. He's just having a play with my magnet at the minute. I don't know what it is, just a big piece of iron bar with a bend in it. Yeah, big piece of bendy bar. I found an old lock, a bucket handle, big old track lip, track bolt, one of those things you get on bridges. Looks like it might have been off some kind of pulley. Big old track lip, and then over here Jason pulled out a trolley, and then good old Vinny helped me pull out what I can only imagine is an old boat. Well, I don't know what it is, but to have it clipped on by just them metal bits and dragging it in from the middle was bloody hard work. Who found this? A bag with bricks in. With a computer. Oh, wait a minute.
The keyboard's there.
It's got a keyboard in a computer.
Oh, someone just thrown that.
With bricks as well.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? XP?
Yeah.
Or I'm reckoning probably more Vista. Do you reckon we could use the bag again? Is that one of those old head bags, or is it Puma or something?
Yeah. It's trying to find the zip. Oh.
JD Sport bag.
Why's that wedged in there though? I might put the gloves back on.
I would. Sludge bag. See, I'm finding random bits of scrap and bits of boat, I can presume.
You don't want to come out. A bit random that there's bricks in there though.
Do you know what? It's the first day that I haven't brought my knife with me. Could have just cut the bag open.
It must be on. It's got like a coiled wire with it.
Random.
It's not random. Why would there be a...
Come to Peterborough, find a bag.
It's got to be like windows.
Oh. I'm trying to do all this while I'm still attached to the tripod. I mean, I prefer porridge, but...
Oh, I like the baby porridge.
Oh, you're putting yours up tonight. Oh, I'll get this thing.
Yeah, I'm getting stung by nettles, I'm getting eaten by mozzies. So who pulled that out, Jay?
Here.
Nice. Yeah,
A bit random.
bit random.
Here.
A bag full of computer parts.
And brick.
That will do it. That's it, moving. It's moving. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This must be worth one.
Probably it's scrolling.
That's a trolley full of rubbish. I'll get the grafter on it. Nail? Nail? Coat hanger? Penny? Was? More scrap? But there's something heavy, so let's see if we can find it.
Are you guys fishing? Peter, quick! Quick! Peter, quick! Move from there!
Somebody 100% nearly just fell in the water. I mean, I might have chucked my grapple in to help. How close to it is now?
What's that over back, Alex?
Which one?
This one. That's the bigger one, isn't it?
Oh, that was a feeder attempt. All the rope got wrapped up.
Are you on it now?
Have a mean? It's definitely.
That's all. Right then. Go this way, go this way. This way. Literally on the top. Come on. Fucking hell.
There it is.
I can see it. That ain't no fucking top.
Ah, so straight off. Get the Barbarian back on it. Now it's a bit closer, we know where we're at. Oh!
Everyone get on this road. Alex, this one will come.
You get two, right? What? No interest. This is a bit big. Look over the big. On the sweat. Well, we need to do something with it. Yeah, no, that's coming out because we could get stuck on that. Well, my magnet's stuck on it. We'll get that out. Oh no, the magnet's come off.
So the Sleaford Dippers, I finally found out what me, Martin, Gary, a local few other manufacturers of computers are actually getting stuck on right out over there. And believe it or not,
And I've got another crack spoon.
yeah, that is coming out. Look at that. Really, really slow behind it.
Yeah.
So when we pull it out, it's upside down.
Can I
Yeah,
put in the
it needs to be lifted.
Once the water drains, then we get out.
Yeah. What's that snagged on there? Because that's just stopped in its tracks. So, there we go.
That's it.
So, quick one. On the bin, these boys are struggling. As you can imagine, it's pretty heavy. But it's coming. It's coming. Who's going to be the first? So there we go. That's the bin.
Hang on a minute.
It's a bit large.